There are two ways to manually perform an analysis of a domain against the Whalebone database. One way to open the Domain Analysis tool is from the User's menu. The other option is to check a specific domain from the context menu in Threats or DNS Traffic Overviews directly. Afterward, you will see all the information that Whalebone has collected about the domain. We used kidos-bank.ru as an example. We can see that there are different types of threats associated with the domain. Its score is 95 to 100, and it was labeled as dangerous in November 2019. In the following graphs, you can see the development of the detections, or rather, the DNS resolution requests of the domain in your network. The outcome of the analysis also shows that the domain is not assigned a content category and its blocking wasn't ordered by law. You can inquire into any domain like that. Just enter it into the top field. Let's take a look at Facebook.com, for instance. We can see that Facebook.com is not considered a security threat. There's quite some traffic going on, and Whalebone categorizes it as a social network. If we type in porn.com, we can see that the category has changed into sexual content.